We got a friend, somebody's friend, who recently got a patent for a bitless bridle. She's interested in possibly getting a patent broker. What are some things to look for? What are good questions to ask? Solid. Well, a patent broker is someone who will help you as the inventor, patent holder, find, and if they're a patent attorney or an attorney, they will help you negotiate and execute either a licensing agreement or a sale of your IP assets. The hard part, of course, is finding a deal, but that's what the brokers do. If you've got a good one, I would ask for track record. I would ask for success stories. I mean, that's really, and also the process. How are they contacting? How will they be, communicating on your behalf? And then, of course, look at the fine print. Look at their contract to see, because you've hired them, they're representing you. Oftentimes, and we do this here because we have patent brokerage services where we're going to represent you for a certain period of time. And sometimes deals take a long time to mature. And so there's an additional what's called a tail. And we don't hide it, but you should look to see where it's at. If after that 12-month goes by and a deal still percolates, it ends up, right, cementing or executing within a certain time frame, that broker is still going to earn their commission. So those are some kind of high-level stuff to look at in terms of the broker. When you're sitting down and talking with them, I am biased. I think a broker dealing with patents, intellectual property, is at the highest end if they are an attorney, if they have the basics, understand what kind of IP they're working with, so they can appreciate and value it and explain the rights to the potential buyer or licensee. So that's my quick in a nutshell. Would you add anything to that?
No, I like the fold of having an actual patent attorney represent you as a broker.
Yep.
It's smart.
Yeah, absolutely.